Good morning, children. Today, let us discuss about chemical change or chemical reaction. As you can see on the screen, definition very clearly I've written there. Chemical reaction is the process of breaking the chemical bonds of the reactants and making new bonds to form new products. During the reaction, chemical bonds of the reactants. Reactant means the elements, compounds which are present on the left side of the arrow sign. They are called reactants, and product means the elements, compounds which are present on the right side. They are called products. And during a chemical reaction, reactants bonds are broken down and they rearrange themselves. They'll combine with another elements and forms new bonds. So breaking old bonds and making new bonds, that is a simple concept of chemical reaction. When you rearrange the elements, new products will be automatically formed. It is a simple diagram to show about chemical bond. Chemical bond defines as the force that holds atoms together in a molecule. Just like two friends holding their hands each other. And just see in this diagram one positive and negative. As you all know, unlike charges attract. That kind of force of attraction, we call it chemical bond. Among friends also, there is a tremendous force of attraction. We call it friendship in normal life. In atoms, that force of attraction, we call it chemical bond. Let me move to the next point. Now we will discuss about the major types of chemical reactions. There are four major chemical reactions. The first is called a direct combination. It has got one more name. It is also called synthesis. Second is decomposition. Another name is analysis. Third is a displacement reaction. And fourth one is a double displacement. Let me repeat, there are four types of major chemical reactions. The first is a direct combination. Second is decomposition. Third is displacement. And fourth is double displacement. Let us discuss one by one in detail. First of all, let me take the example of direct combination or synthesis. Direct combination or synthesis is a reaction in which two or more substances combine together to form a single substance is called a combination reaction or synthesis. Combination, combining together. Think about a marriage function. Two persons from different families join together and starts living in a single house. We can simply compare a combination reaction or synthesis with marriage. It's a symbolic representation I gave you under the definition A plus B gives AB. I think in that representation things are very clear for you. Left side, that is on the reactant side, there can be two or more elements or compounds, but on product side, remember there is only one product. That is the main thing you have to remember. Product side, we are supposed to have only one product. Such a reaction is called a combination reaction or a synthesis. Here is an example for you. In different way, combination reactions can be performed. In this combination reaction, carbon and oxygen combines to form carbon dioxide. Very simple reaction. And that reaction is already balanced. And second reaction, iron is combining with the sulfur to form iron sulfide. In both the reactions, two elements combines to form one product. Such a reaction is called a combination reaction. I think it is clear for all of you. Thank you, children.